That's LA for you right there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Fun time with DissiNotRA. Beatmakers 101. What's up, everyone? Spitting all over the place. Yo, guys. Around the holiday times, Reason Studios has dropped a flipping whole bunch of free sound packs. And when I say a whole bunch, I mean a whole bunch. From gothic to lo-fi to neo-soul, Mom's Fruitcake sound pack, Gabriel Gassi sound pack, I don't know if I say his name right, Dowdy South sound pack, free, 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 free. So today we are gonna explore a little bit, specifically in the neo soul sound pack, obviously, since they have a lo-fi piano in there, which, as the name says, already sounds like the juicy lo-fi music. I'm drooling. Almost no need to tweak in there. Almost no need. You can basically just load it and get going. The cool thing is that all of these sound packs consist of patches, collections, combinations of a bunch of the devices, players, effects, everything that goes in the rack, which is pretty cool. Because that means the work has been already done for us and we just gotta tweak a little bit here and there and beep, 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 and boom, we have our own custom sound that has been prepared for us in the best possible way. So, can't wait. I can't wait. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, let's get into it. As you can see, I already loaded a couple of tracks here with my desired sound pack. Now, as far as where the sound packs go when you install them, right here you can always see the path of the folder which you are in. So here you can see we are in the C drive, then we have the user, then the username obviously. For some reason I can't change the name of the old user to my user, weird. Then app data, then roaming, then to Propellerhead software, and then you can already see the packs right here. Now in the packs folder you will see all of the sound packs that you already installed. As you can see, I already installed a bunch of them. But today we will only focus on the Neo Soul pack. So you obviously want to go into patches right here. Here you can see we have 10 different patches. Now the cool thing is if you load one of these patches, let me show you. Like I said earlier, they are actually combinations of different devices and effects and players and so on and so forth. Here, look at these. Here we got the Europa, the echo, the reverb, and the good old channel EQ. Or for example, here in the beautiful lo-fi piano, look how they created that. Beautiful. All right, but let's start at the first sound. We have our classic bass here. As you can see, it just loaded all of the devices and effects. The good old school bass. Then let's see how Crazy Dreams sound. Ooh. 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 Nice, I like that. Hip hop lead, one of my favorites. In case you hear the sound and then hear my fingers playing a couple milliseconds after, it's because I have to switch my audio interface when I want to record my screen with OBS, which then causes a latency. So that might be the weird thing that you hear or pick up on, most likely if you're a beat maker or musician. Hip hop sub. Ooh. Now, obviously, you want to play around here and custom design your own sound. So let's do that. A little bit more drive. You get the point. Play a little bit with our scream also. Careful, let's not do too much. Enough. Ooh. It's already so beautifully prepared. You almost don't have to do anything. That was like, I mean, 30 seconds of tweaking and it sounds amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, you know what? Let's keep this one. And let's see what else we have here. Ooh, this one right here. I'm already drooling. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? Almost like on a real piano, a real honky tonk. Is that how you call them, honky tonks? Woo! Woo! Oh, nice. It is so hardcore not to just go for it. Noisy keyboard. Let's see what's up with that. Ooh. Ooh. Na da 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 da. Hey. Okay, I'm drifting away. Noisy pad. Almost like the helicopter that is about to pass a noisy pad. Funny, huh? Well, while he's passing, he's still passing. That's LA for you right there. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. That is pretty. Holy moly! Let's see what we can tweak on this sound right here. That reverb. We need to change that reverb around a little bit. A little bit less decay. Right there. As you can see, this is like a endless story of sound creation right here. Again, endless possibilities, and we're just in one sound pack right now. Okay, guys, crazy. Organic pluck. Not so much mine. Soft keys. Hey. Ooh. This is 7s, 9s, and 6 do not work so well in this one. That is really dope. Wandering pluck. Also not so much mine. Let's go back to soft keys real quick. As you can see, guys, endless possibilities. I'm only drooling. So much already prepared work done, just a little tweaking needed to make it sound beautiful. However, I obviously had to play around a little bit and make something happen. So let's check out how an almost finished track sounds. Alrighty, almighty. So this is what I came up with. Even though I have to admit, though, I did steal one little patch from another sound pack. I just couldn't resist. And as you can see, I did even record some vocals on there as well. But that shall stay a secret for now until you can hear it on my Spotify. So let's listen to what we can create with these beautiful sound packs with this juicy, tasty sound. Holy moly, crisp cannoli. Yum yum, tasty schmasty hasty. I think that turned out pretty well. I am definitely making a real song out of this. This is not only going to be a sketch. I think this is gonna be serious. And you were here with me in this video when I started this song. That is a first timer for me as well. Pretty awesome, makes me really happy. There's nothing more to say. You saw it and heard it for yourself. Let's get to the outro. That's it, everyone. Tasty, schmasty, hasty, clasty sounds. I am very thankful to Reason as usual. And cheers to a bunch of new free sound packs. And as usual, if you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check the links, there's awesome stuff to discover. Beat Baker Apparel, more videos, music, and so on and so forth. And as always, much love to everyone, stay focused and have a blessed now. No watch today.